Hello and good morning, everyone. On behalf of HDFC Bank, I, Sanchali Arora, would like to welcome all our friends from the media, along with all present, for this extremely special event. I have just been told that this is one of the biggest gatherings ever in bank's history, with thousands of employees joining for an online event at the same time. Knowing the standards set by HDFC Bank, it has always come up with ideas that have stormed the market and created new benchmarks in banking industry. Definitely, again something big is coming up. Well, any guesses? That's right, it is about festive treats. Last year, you all made history with Grand Festive Treats campaign. It was India's biggest festive dhamaka. So before I begin, let's take a quick look at what you all have done last year.
The festive season is a truly special time of year. It's where happiness meets togetherness and celebration meets elation. However, the needs of people are ever changing, and it's no longer enough to just spread joy. We needed to make wishes come true. And so, HDFC Bank Festive Treats was born.
Last festive season,
We created the perfect platform, a one-stop solution for every festive need. And then we brought it to life. We put festive treats on the news with full-page print ads, radio spots, and paid digital campaigns. We took it to every single household with personalized videos, emailers, and social media influencers. We ensured that wherever people went, festive treats would follow through branches, billboards, mall activations, and in-store visibility. And we enjoyed coverage from leading publications, including an article comparing us to Amazon. But do you know the best part? We did all of this in our very first year, and we couldn't have done it without you. So here's a big thank you to all the teams for your support and for giving it your all.
That was amazing, wasn't it? Well, HDFC Bank created magic last year with some groundbreaking achievements. Let me quickly encapsulate few milestones that the entire banking fraternity was speaking about. Over 1 lakh employees of the bank engrossed themselves in Festive Treats campaign. Personal loans clocked close to 8,000 crores. Car loans crossed 4,500 crores. Two-wheeler loans crossed 1,000 crores. Painted the entire market yellow with visibility across more than 50,000 stores. Card spends over 30,000 crores and thousands of new accounts acquired were recorded. Despite the current pandemic crippling the local economy, HDFC Bank's endeavor to fulfill customers' dreams remains matchless. And that's why we all have gathered together. Today is a very special day that is going to lead us to yet another highly exciting festive season. First, let me invite Mr. Parag Rao, Group Head, Payments Business, HDFC Bank, to say a few words. Mr. Parag Rao.
Thank you, Sanchali. Good morning, everyone, and welcome all. Thank you all for being here on this wonderful occasion. It's that time of the year again, the festive season for all Indians. This season is the best time where all Indians get together. We love celebrating festivals. It's the time to get together, meet, greet. It's the time to spend. It's a time to buy gifts for people. It's a time to take loans and buy our dreams. Okay. And HDFC Bank over the years has always been part of this festive treat for its consumers. It echoes and resonates with the whole thought of pay, borrow, save, invest. So you see, these are the core tenets of our philosophy of being customer centric. Okay, and festive treats neatly fits into that philosophy. It was about the same time last year that a couple of us who are on this call today thought through and conceptualized the idea of HDFC Bank Festive Treats, the inaugural version. The idea was to bring together the best of HDFC Bank, whatever it offers, its products and services to its customers on one platform. It was an outstanding success. It was launched by Mr. Puri, and true to what people say, that whatever he touches turns to gold. We saw stupendous results in the first version of the festive treats. Aside of the quantitative numbers, where we did far more with it than we normally did in a festive season, we got a couple of other key benefits which drove us throughout the year in our philosophy. So one, I think the biggest benefit I think we got was we could project the bank as one bank facing all its consumers and customers. It created a significant amount of buzz through our channel partners and all market participants, people who had participated in the festive season, not just being in network partners, but also the merchants, especially who gave us a lot of the offers and who saw significant amount of footfalls going in through our customer base. Our customers were delighted because it was that period of time when everyone is looking for deals and everyone is looking at buying and spending and taking loans. And HDFC Bank was the lone ranger in the field, offering its whole entire bevy of products and services, great deals, great discounts, great offers on loans so that you could sort of fulfill your dreams. Version 2 stands here in 2020. And while some of the scenario has changed, I think the core ethos of festive treats remain the same. What has changed, however, is the fact that in this year, because of the pandemic, most consumers have sort of held back on their expenses. The overall atmosphere being not so good, we do believe that there's a huge amount of pent-up demand for consumers, and I think this is the best time in which we come back to customers again with Festive Treats 2.0. This is the time where we'd like to once again better off what we did in the first year of the Festive Treats, and we look forward to a fantastic season of spending, buying, and lending with all our products and services in a much bigger and better manner. So I'd like now to officially call Mr. Aditya Puri to launch Festive Treats 2.0.
Okay. Good morning, colleagues. It's great to be talking to you. So let's have this talk in three parts. One is what is on top of the mind for everybody, Corona. Two is also what is on the top of everybody's mind. How do we come as one bank to the customer and fulfill all his wishes? Three is why I think your future is secure in terms of increment, bonus, promotions, etc., unlike the rest of the people. So let me start with the first one. पहले तो ये कोरोना क्या आया, सबकी लाइफ ऊपर नीचे हो गई. Never mind, हाथी निकल गया, पूंछ रह गई. And we at HDFC Bank said हम हार नहीं मानेंगे और हमने नहीं मानी. हमारे फर्स्ट 2 क्वार्टर के रिजल्ट भी ये दिखाते हैं और आगे की जो प्रोजेक्शन है वो भी यही दिखाती है कि हमारी जो टीम है HDFC बैंक की टीम ये बरकरार है, जिंदाबाद है और सबको सीखना पड़ेगा कोविड के साथ रहना, क्योंकि ये तो थोड़ी देर इधर है. अगर जीना है आगे जाके और कोविड के साथ जीना है तो ये माहौल तो नहीं, ये रोने का माहौल तो नहीं बना रहेगा. So as a contribution from HDFC Bank, we said, let's bring some of the festive spirits back. So what we have done is we are bringing HDFC Bank Treats Part 2. This is much bigger than last year. We have participants of all the big brands, the Apple, the Samsung, the Reliance, you name it. Everybody, the Chroma, everybody is there with us. The merchants are also participating. The manufacturers are also participating to bring an offer that even in this depressed mood should cheer you up and also teach you how to live forward, because now I heard in London second wave is coming, but we have learned how to live better with it. So how even with Corona we can have some cheer in our life. As Parag has told you in his presentation, Festive Treats is a platform. It's a platform to showcase the strength of the bank. All our products, jointly with all our partners, bringing it to the customer so that every wish is fulfilled. I strongly believe that given everybody's desire to revive the spirits, everybody's desire, that is us, our partners, the manufacturers, to revive the economy, these offers that we are coming out with now are some of the best you are going to get. So my personal advice to you is, if you need it, take it. And this is what you have to tell the customers. It's both an offline and online offering that we are giving. The bigger merchants are giving it, the smaller merchants are giving it, and Treats is this time available in every nook and corner of the country. Whenever the HDFC Bank employees get involved, we end up doing 10x, much better than any of us ever envisaged. I'm confident it will happen even more this time, because mahal to change karna hi hai. From my personal side, what I'm saying is, send also, because I just did it this morning, send to your friends and relatives. I talk to people even in Singapore who have relatives here. This is a very good deal. They must know, they should know that this deal is not going to come back in a hurry. So I have a personal contest for you. Send it to your WhatsApp or whatever that technology of your group. Whoever gets the maximum likes gets a special prize, plus has a 10-minute Zoom conversation with me. So number 1 and 2 is complete. Now I want you all to go out and beat the hell out of the competition, because this also establishes our brand very different from any other bank brand. 1, that we are still positive. We are the safest as per S&P. We have the widest distribution network, and we bring the widest range of financial services to you along with our partners. So go back, create the differentiation, and let us see how we go. Somebody, I was talking to some of the colleagues yesterday, तो हमने बोला कि यार मुझसे होए तो नथुलाल जैसी, तो उन्होंने बोला CEO और टीम ऐसी होए HDFC बैंक जैसी, तो जाके उड़ा दो. Now let me come to the last bit. The bank is doing well. We have all the capital that we need. Our portfolio is not under strain. We are aggressively using our distribution and technology advantage. I can assure you on behalf of Shashi and all the team, not only are your jobs secure, the way you are performing, just make sure you go behind the team and go behind our vision. Not only are your jobs secure, your increment is secure, your bonus and your promotion is secure. So go for it. Thank you.
If leaving someone speechless is an art, then Mr. Puri is the Picasso of it. It's always a pleasure to hear him speak. Thank you, Mr. Puri, for unveiling Festive Treats 2020. Well, we are just getting started, and there's much more on your way. We at HDFC Bank have created a special anthem for this year. Our Hunar artists have come together and stitched this beautiful creation. Well, let's have a look.
कल का सूरज ढल रहा पिघल रहा है घर गया ये नई सुबह जो आई है साथ सपने अपने लाई है सड़कें बंद थी घर पे हम थे अब फिर दिल से खुले हम हैं आओ बताए तुम्हें कैसे करते कैसे हम ये सब है
हाँ दिल्ली से, मुंबई से, चेन्नई से, कोची से, हाँ शिलोंग से, बैंगलोर से, कलकत्ता से, हैदराबाद से। उठाओ अपने हाथ, गाओ मेरे साथ, बता दो सबको आज अब फेस्टिव ट्रीट्स की बारी है, अब फेस्टिव ट्रीट्स की बारी है, अब फेस्टिव ट्रीट्स की बारी है, अब फेस्टिव ट्रीट्स की बारी है।
स्मार्टफोन से लेकर एसी तक
अब all is possible,
गाड़ी से लेकर टीवी तक
अब all is possible. We're ready to rock, we're ready to shop. Got deals so good, you're gonna get some shop. आओ मेरे साथ, उठाओ अपने हाथ और कह दो सबको आज अब फेस्टिव ट्रीट्स की बारी है, अब फेस्टिव ट्रीट्स की बारी है, अब फेस्टिव ट्रीट्स की बारी है, अब फेस्टिव ट्रीट्स की बारी है। ख्वाहिशों को पूरा करने देखो फिर से हम आए हैं, तुम भी आना सबको लेकर, हम सबके लिए कुछ लाए, मिलके मनाए हर त्योहार। अब all is possible, रॉक करने को है तैयार। अब all is possible, उठाओ अपने हाथ और गाओ मेरे साथ और कह दो सबको आज अब फेस्टिव ट्रीट्स की बारी है, 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 अब फेस्टिव ट्रीट्स की बारी है।
Moving on, now let me once again call upon Mr. Parag Rao, Group Head Payments Business, HDFC Bank. Parag, you have been one of the brains behind last year's campaign as well. What do you have to say about last year's festive treats?
Thanks, Anjali. You know, the funny thing is that, platformization, and I'm introducing a new word, logo, to this audience. Platformization has been a key strategy of HDFC Bank for the last couple of years. Okay, festive treats, whether it was last year or this year, actually forms a key backbone of that platform strategy. What does festive treats bring to the table? The thought process of last year was essentially, we've got multiple strengths in the bank specific to the festive treats ecosystem. The thought process was simple. How can we bring couple of our strengths to the table and offer it in one seamless way to the customer? Okay, what are those strengths which we looked at? We have a huge quality customer franchise, 50 million customers, quality customers, many of them pre-approved for loans, many of them eligible for significant amount of other loans, deep penetration into this base with significant product holding across the bank. We've got a quality franchise, and I think we're very proud of that legacy which we've clearly built up. Okay, what is the other strength? We've got a significant presence and market dominance presence in the merchant acquiring space. So we have across the length and breadth of India, across digital forms, across electronic forms, across physical forms, we've got relationships with all the top merchants of the country. How can we bring those people get together onto this platform? That's another key strength which you got. 50% market share is a clear dominating strength which the bank has in this space, and bringing this bevy of merchants to the table is extremely important. We've got deep inroads into corporate, institutional, and SME segment base. That's another important asset or strength, if you may call so, of the bank. Okay, how could we bring all of these three together onto one platform? And that platform is the Festive Treats platform, whereby all constituents, these three, benefit. Consumers get the best of deals and offers across not just products which they spend using on their credit cards or debit cards, but they also get great deals, discounts, funding offers for all the products which they would normally purchase during festive season. And also, as we say in our marketing line, we help you fulfill your dreams. Give a strong message to the marketplace to say, number one, okay, HDFC Bank is doing its bit to help stimulate the economy, help stimulate consumer consumption by bringing to consumers the best of deals and offers, number one. And number two, bring to them funding opportunities for all their dreams. So that's one key element which you're going to bring. And we'd also like to send a second message to our consumers to say, we are there with you to help you through tough times. We're here to help you and help you achieve your dreams. So that's my idea of what Festive Treats. It's one of the biggest events in the bank. And we're looking forward to a fantastic Festive Treats 2.0.
That's nice. And what is it new that you are bringing to the table this year?
Some of the differences which we had, one, of course, we have far more number of offers for our customers this year. Just to give you a sense of it, last year we did not take part with Amazon in the Great India Festival. We had an Apple offer. This year we've already tied up with 3 leading national, in fact global brands to be lead bearer offers, torch bearer offers, if you may call so, in the electronics and consumer durable segment. So we have clear tie-ups with Apple, we have tie-ups with Samsung, and we have tie-ups with Amazon. If you notice, you would see that both Apple and Samsung offers are already on. And I was joking with the team to tell them that both of these guys were so excited with the results of last year's festive season and our year-long engagement which we do with them, that they couldn't wait for the festive season. They actually launched their campaigns far in advance of the company. And so therefore you'll be seeing the kind of offers we already have. Let me assure you that you'll get far better offers once 1st October comes in. That's one level of offers which we sort of brought, which is different and better from what we had last year. This year, we have close to 2,000 offers from many regional brands. So I talked to you about national brands and global brands, but we have a lot of local and regional level offers, 2,000, which is far in excess of what we had last year. A significant amount of online offers in the 2,000 offers I do mention. There are a lot of online players who are going to sort of be offering special deals to our customers. Just to talk about a couple of them in the categories of education, wellness, and even grocery. These are 2 or 3 categories which have suddenly become very large, something which is different and unique. This year, we're planning to go to TV, without again stealing the thunder from what Ravi is going to talk about. We've tied up with a national event and a national brand which is currently taking the eyeballs of the entire population of India, at least most of us. We've really tied up with them in a very strategic way. And we do believe that association with these brands which I talked about, and association with the national level brand, which is the event of which is currently going on, is only going to help us bring a lot of top of mind awareness for HDFC Bank as the one bank brand, which is bringing all its consumers and all its partners wellness, happiness, prosperity in these times.
In current situation, how are you leveraging digital technologies to reach out to customers?
Thank you for asking me this question. It gives me a great opportunity to really talk about our digital initiatives for the benefit of the entire bank here on this call. So digital is an extremely important strategic initiative for the bank. APIs, and we talk about digitization, platform, cloud, etc., etc. But let me just sort of talk to you about how it's important to us. One, digitizing and creating new customer journeys and user flows is an important part of digitizing the existing bank. The customer is demanding products and services from its banks today in a completely different format than what we are conventionally used to. So going beyond just branch or going beyond just a telecall, people expect to do banking 24/7, sitting at their homes, sitting on their iPads, on their mobile devices, on their laptops, and expect banking 24/7 anywhere else. Okay, this demands a completely different way of digitizing, if you may call, user journeys, reimagining them, trying to bring to them the same processes which they were used to in a physical world, in a digital world, and thereby bringing about a lot of efficiency, bringing about customer delight, if you may call so. So we're doing one initiative of our digital journey is digitizing a lot of our user journeys, reimagining a lot of the customer journeys and flows. There's a significant amount of work going on in that space. The second, I talked about platformization in the questions which were raised before. Digital platformification, if you may call so, is the name of the game. And if I club it with the point number one, which I just now mentioned, when customers expect superior service, superior experiences at the click of a button, or if you may call zero touch products and services for the future, digital platforms is the way to go. As you all know, we're working on multiple platforms in a different way. Festive Treats itself is a digital platform where consumers and merchants can sort of avail of products and services and the delight of one bank on a digital platform. We're looking at digital ecosystems, if you may call so, in many significant areas where the bank is already strong: the healthcare segment, the rural segment, the auto segment, to name a couple. The whole idea is to bring out those digital user journeys, embed them onto a platform wherein a customer can seamlessly grow across the device or the form factor of his choice and avail of multiple products and services across the chain of his transaction with the bank in a simple, seamless manner, get the best kind of possible services, and he's doing it in the safe environments of his house. By the way, we are creating a completely digital customer experience hub for our customers. More about it as the project unfolds. But as I said, over the next couple of months and going into the future, you'll see significant different ways in which we start interacting with our consumers and customers, and customers will also experience a completely new, young, instant HDFC Bank.
Well, wonderful to know. What will be your key message to all employees for this Festive Treats 2020?
I really don't know what to say. I can just think of two immediate things which I'd like to send a message to all of you here. Thank you for being here. These are tough times. These are also times of what people are calling a new normal. And I think we're all adapting, not just in terms of work life, but even in terms of our family lives, to adapting to the new normal. One thing I think I should keep on repeating is that please stay safe. Safety of yourself, safety of your health, safety of your family, I think is of utmost important. At the same time, as you're seeing, the Indian economy is opening up, business is coming back to near as usual. So I should say that let's focus now on building back our businesses to the levels which we were at pre-COVID, but in a please safe and secure manner. Please do take all precautions for yourself and your families. Your health is of utmost importance, and do what you have to do to protect yourselves. But let's now start looking in terms of business. Okay, the economy is going up. We're clearly seeing green shoots everywhere. Okay, and there's a very strong sense of positivity. Players like us who play a significant role in the development and the growth of the economy, we represent this organization, and so therefore our positivity, doing it in a safe way, I think will add its own way of making India come back, bounce back, and becoming once again one of the largest and fastest growing economies in the world. That's message number one. Message number two, specific to Festive Treats, I would request all of you to take the messaging of the Festive Treats and the details of the offers. You will soon get PDF form, WhatsApp tiles, etc. of the details of all the offers that we have for the Festive Treats 2.0. And just a simple request, please forward it to 20 of your friends, your relatives, your customers, and ask them to keep on forwarding it to 20 more of their friends and customers and relatives. Let's form a very large chain, a social chain, if you may call so, talking about Festive Treats, talking about the benefits of Festive Treats. And I can guarantee you, we did this. I saw the power of this chain effect last year. I do believe that we've got far better and far superior offerings than what we had last year. And this chain effect actually can give us a kicker in addition to the marketing plans which Ravi is going to talk to you about. So like I said, take the offers, send it to anyone and everyone whom you know, talk to them, tell them of the benefits they're going to get, and we've done our job. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Rao. Now let me invite Mr. Arvind Vora, Group Head, Retail Branch Banking, HDFC Bank, for a quick chat. Arvind, last year we saw HDFC Bank branches transformed into a favorite shopping destination for the customers. What was your thought behind it and what was your experience?
Hello friends. We all know festive period in India, right from Diwali right up to Christmas, is a period where festivities are abuzz in the whole country. All the families are looking at making new purchases, either a new home or an automobile or some other devices for our loved ones in the family. So last year we started with Festive Treats 1.0, which was all about really transforming our teams, transforming our branches as a one-stop shopping destination and destination where we could support our customers with all the financial solutions.
Well, since you have set the bar so high, what is it that we can expect from you this year?
So this year Festive Treats plan is much wider and much bigger. Last year we had almost 150 partnerships with significant numbers of OEMs and big brands. And this year, not only we are retaining those big brand partnerships, but on top of that, what we added this year is close to 2,000 regional and local partnerships and tie-ups. That will give the local and regional flavor and give us that depth into the deeper markets, semi-urban and rural as well. So that is one. Second thing which is bigger and wider this year is the range of online partners that we had. We have Amazon as our key partner in the Festive Treat 2.0. We have Grofers, we have Tata Click, but of course Amazon, which was not a part of the Festive Treats last year, is a big partner in the Festive Treat 2.0. So the flavor this year is continue with the partnerships, the big brand partnerships that we had last year into the Festive Treat 2.0, but add on the regional partners, the local partners, provide that scale, and also an extended range of digital online partners. And through the leverage of this, we believe that we'll be able to cater to the aspirations of the widest variety of the customers across the length and breadth of the company, not just in metros and top cities, but across the semi-urban and rural markets as well. And we hope to leverage that and spread happiness to millions of our customers.
Amazing. Any special message for our employees?
My special message to our team members, our employees, our colleagues would be to stay safe. Last 6 months have been not easy for not just for our customers. They have not been easy for any one of us. They have not been easy for our families and friends. They have not been easy for anyone in this world. And I'm really hoping that the second half will not only bring a lot of happiness to our customers through the efforts of our team members and employees, the way we have been doing always, but I'm really wishing and hoping that it will bring a lot of happiness to all our colleagues and all our employees as well, and to each one of them and their families. Serving our customers and bringing happiness to our customers and smiles to our customers and making a difference in their lives is something is that each one of us enjoy. And on top of that, I wish everyone a lot of festive wishes, a lot of happiness and joy as we move into the second half of the year, and hopefully as the COVID impact sort of takes a backseat and we move into a period of festivity, of joy, of happiness, and doing good.
Thank you, Mr. Vora. It was lovely interacting with you. Let me call upon Mr. Arvind Kapil, Group Head,
Retail Assets, HDFC Bank.
Very good morning to all. I think considering that the entire country is grappled and all of you hopefully safe and absolutely healthy, I think it's a good time for us to take stock of our business, and I'm very excited about the festive treats. I congratulate the marketing team to kind of have come up at this time. I think it's an opportune time. The economy is turning for the better. The next 6 to 7 months is going to be, I believe, from what I read, it's going to be a solid time for business. The next 3 months in particular to set a foundation and momentum in place. The festive treats have been designed to be far more exciting, far more customer-centric, much more something that you will get a very favorable response from the customer when you're talking to them. And that's the reason I'm excited about it. And I wish you guys the very best, whether it's personal loans, whether it's going to be auto loans, whether it's going to be home loans, whether it's going to be loans against shares, whether it's going to be the businessman's business loans, or we look at EEG, which is talking about a very big boost of business. So it's quite interesting to see that while private banks are on 21% of the stake and NBFCs are 11% and the rest being public sector, the private sectors, especially HDFC Bank, we are right now very strong on our foundation on the liquidity. And this is really the time for us to capitalize on the lending side, because if you look at the NBFC space right now, they're still trying to get a grip on things. So I think it's the most opportune time to probably go to market with an aggressive bang-on strategy. And the retail lending team are raring to go right now. The retail lending teams have been are fully clogged on with their new monitoring systems on the virtual side. So they will be communicating with every branch on their respective products. We'll have a process by which that can be monitored. The active engagement will go up substantially. I see the energy levels between the branch team and the retail lending team moving step by step forward. And that's really something which I'm looking forward to it. Trust me, we put the best foot forward on our offerings, which are compliant and a real good offer for the customer, because I think there's nothing short of that. And let's make this 90 days and the next 6 months a grand success. So I wish you the very, very best. And the retail lending team is solidly with you to make sure that you make a grand success out of this. Other than this, we are also going to be coming up with a couple of digital products which are going to substantially increase your ease of doing business at the branch and alternate channels. So thank you so much for this platform and wish you all the very best. And let's make a grand success out of this. Thank you.
Thank you for your time, Mr. Kapil. Now let me invite Mr. Sampath Kumar, Group Head of HDFC Bank, for a quick conversation.
Thank you, Sanchari, for the introduction. Good morning, friends, and a great welcome to the Festive Treat Launch 2.0. We had it larger than just a campaign last year. We were seen in all media and in all grounds of length and breadth of the country. It became the talk of every household. We had the best month in all aspects of product offering, starting from auto, credit cards, payment, collection, consumer durable, and so on and so forth. Believe me, guys, this year also it will be no different. What we plan to bring in is the creation of the brand called Festive Treat in a much, much larger spectrum, change the customer sentiments in the given situation by pumping in demand and giving them the best offer, by bringing in the best combination of the bank's offering and our partner side, the offer that a customer can't refuse, get the festivity and positivity sentiment created in the country. Friends, at this point of time, when the whole country is battling the pandemic, I would urge each one of you to please stay safe, take care of you, your family, and the society, and ensure through the festivity season we spread happiness, positivity, and generate such a kind of environment that we are no more in any of the pandemic situation. Wish you all the very best and season greetings to each one of you and your family members. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and thank you to all our seniors for your valuable time. Now it's time to check what our bank staff has to say about Festive Treats 2020. Can we have the video, please?
It was such a huge success. You could walk into any of the stores, you could walk into any one of the branches. It was all fully decorated.
As you all know, last year it was a great success. All the customers were happy and the staff were also happy.
We had a wonderful Festive Treats last year where I remember the branches were so beautifully decorated in yellow and blue.
Last time we had a Festive Treats offer. So I purchased my mobile, I got a cashback offers and reward points. In the last year festive treat, we aggressively communicated all the offers to our maximum customers and convert very good numbers.
The HDFC Bank festive treat of last year was very lucrative and amazing with various service products and discounts on lifestyle products, consumer durable, etc.
For the last year festive treat 2019, it was like Ginny brought so many wishes come true of the customers.
It was an amazing experience with the bank as well as with the customer.
Last year festive treat experience was a great experience where customers and employees both were very happy with the offers.
We are looking forward to relaunch the festive treats, which is going to start from 1st of October.
Festive treats is coming up and it's going to be stronger and better and even more glorious than last year.
We are looking forward for a great Festive Treats 2.0 coming soon this year for you.
This will give you all an opportunity to avail the best products at the best price, and it will help us to understand your world better.
This year hasn't been so good till now, but I'm expecting my bank to give a lot of things back again to customers.
We are definitely awaiting for OND Festive Treats that will really bring a lot of surprises and excitement to our customers.
We are eagerly looking forward for this year's festive treat.
The wonderful success of last year's campaign has created a new benchmark and very high level of expectations for Festive Treat 2020.
Also waiting for the next Festive Treats which is coming 2.0, which I'm eagerly waiting for it. Thank you.
Very excited for Festive Treat 2020.
I'm so excited for the Festive Treats which is upfront now. Come on guys, let's make everyone's wish true.
The tagline tells that make every wish come true. Let's make every wish come true again this year.
Expecting same offers and discount this year too. I'm very happy and really excited to get this offer roll out.
So this Diwali हम सब बहुत excited हैं क्योंकि ये जो हमारा time गया है pandemic का वो बहुत crucial time रहा है. So this time we want कि this Diwali हम सब खुशियाँ बांटें.
We are very excited for the new offers that would be offering to the customers.
And this year also we are very excited to know about the great, exciting and amazing offers for the customers.
So this year also we are expecting the bank will again bring lot of excitement with full of products offerings and full of product discounts.
So much excitement already across the bank. Well, now we come to our final segment. And it's time to call the man who matters. The man responsible for digitizing entire customer experience at HDFC Bank. An ardent football fan who wears multiple marketing caps at the same time. Please welcome Mr. Ravi Santhanam, Chief Marketing Officer, HDFC Bank. Over to you, Ravi.
Many thanks, Sanchali. And good afternoon to all my friends and colleagues across the entire HDFC Bank family and across the entire regions. Let me first start by thanking Paragraph for setting the context of how platformification of business is happening as we move along, and also about setting the context for Festive Treats 2.0. I also want to thank Arvind Kapil, Arvind Vora, Sampath and Parag for also telling us what is it that you can expect in Festive Treats 2.0. And the man behind all this, Mr. Aditya Puri. What a passionate speech and what a man. It was his dream to have kickstarted this Festive Treats 1.0 last year. And now today we are at the second year of Festive Treats 2.0. And thank you, sir. Thank you for inspiring us to think around these kind of lines. And thank you for inspiring us to think about it bigger and better this year. Now let me take you what is different in this Festive Treats 2.0 compared to last year. And I want to talk about 3 objectives that we set for ourselves. What is the business objective that we are setting for ourselves this year? The first business objective that we are setting for ourselves, in spite of the current pandemic environment that we see, and many compliments again to the entire front-end employees who, in spite of this pandemic, have bravely been taking care of our business. We want to make sure our revenue numbers this year, OND 20, is higher than OND 19. And that's the first business objective that we are taking up. What is the marketing objective that we want to achieve because of this Festive Treats 2.0 campaign period? We want to establish Festive Treats 2.0 as the property, as our brand property for the festive season, where every customer of ours is looking forward to make sure that their dreams get fulfilled during this festive season from HDFC Bank's offerings. Third is the communication objective. What do we want to communicate to our customers this festive treat? Last year, if you remember, we said, and actually I was joking with many of you people, that have a dream, tell me that dream, and if that HDFC Bank doesn't have an offer to fulfill your dream, I will actually go ahead and pay for that. And that was the kind of power that we had. And in this year also, what we want to establish as our communication objective is all is possible. Whether it is purchasing a mobile to an automobile, whether something to purchase at your household or for renovation for the homes, whether it is for you to purchase some accessory for your two-wheelers or buying the two-wheeler itself, whether you buy something as a grocery, for example, at your retail store nearby or on an online, whether you want to take part in an online or offline, you name it, we will have it covered today. And that is the reason this communication objective that we set for ourselves is all is possible this festive treats because of HDFC Bank. Parag had talked to you about the range of offers. Arvind Kapil talked to you about the range of offers that we are having. And we will bring the entire might of HDFC Bank in front of our customers. We will leverage on the partnerships that we have with our merchant partners, with our consumer durable partners, with our automobile or two-wheeler or four-wheeler partners, and with all the dealership franchisee partners on one side, we will bring them to our customers. This time, it's also different because we are bringing phenomenal regional partnerships, more than 2,000 of them in front of our customers. So in every way, Festive Treats 2.0 will be bigger and better than last year. Now comes the third portion. How do you plan to communicate this Festive Treats to our customers? Last year, if you remember our media planning, we had done a lot of work on the branches, on the outdoor, on radio, on digital. And finally, the employees took it upon themselves to take festive treats and their offerings to every customers of ours. This year, we know that there is a pandemic, on-ground situation is very different. So we have to actually also adjust our media plans to make sure that we choose the right media to take our message to our customers. And festive season, India is a cricket crazy country, and IPL is also happening for us. So this year, you will see us participate in television advertising, leveraging the IPL current season. Cricket is the biggest festival in the country, happens to be in the festive period, and we want to own this festive period as HDFC Bank. So we will be advertising in IPL starting October 10th for a month-long period, and that's the first big media element that you will see. And we will be covering more than 8 crores of our target audience during this period using IPL as a medium. We are not just going to stop at IPL, and what we are looking for is cricket is also being watched nowadays digitally, and many people watch it on their mobile phones. We will be present in the mobile phones also by way of our tie-up with Hotstar. So already it has started. We have also taken certain properties which will actually make sure that our offering is brought to light by our partnership with digital properties like Hotstar. That's not what it is. We will also be present in social media big time, in other digital mediums big time, and we will ensure across any kind of a screen the customer is watching this festive season, we will be present to communicate what our offerings are. Our offerings are different. Our offerings is not about a 10% off, as Parag had said earlier. It is also about that 90% funding that we will do. And that's the reason why we are calling our offering as all is possible. And we will make sure this offering is visible on every screen the consumer touches during this festive period. In addition, we have a huge feet on street presence and we have a huge market presence. And we want to leverage this and we want to make sure our festive treats as a brand, as a property, and our message is visible across 70,000 retail outlets. I'm not joking. 70,000 retail outlets will carry our branding of festive treats and the offers and the messaging to our customers. We will also make sure that every branch of ours will be decorated for this festive season. We have been actually taking pride in the way in which we have created our internal marketing capabilities and our omni-channel marketing capabilities. So across the entire spectrum of direct marketing channels that we have, whether it is email, SMS, mobile banking, net banking, on our website, you will see festive treats communication in the right manner and to the right target audience. We have taken huge leap of faith, and a huge amount of investment has gone in terms of our ability to identify the right set of people for, say, an auto loan or a personal loan or for a consumer durable EMI offer. And we will target specific set of people with specific set of creatives in the medium in which they love to interact with us. So there is a huge amount of communication that is going to go towards our customers. And all this communication comes to life when you and us and all of us together as employees of this bank go to our customers, win their hearts with our service. So please do communicate to our customers. The PDF will all come to you in the next one day. Please do share it with our customers. Please talk to our customers and make sure they enjoy the benefits of partnering with HDFC Bank. Let me sign off by saying my compliments to the festive season to all of you and your families. Stay safe. And let's all of us come together as one bank and make this festive season bigger and better than last year. Stay safe and best compliments.
Thank you, Ravi. Well, wait, the show is not over yet. We have another surprise for you. Let me not talk about it. Just sit back and feel it.
Wankhede Stadium on their feet. India have a job on their hands.
Champions are not born, they are made. They strive to be better even when they are already the best. They don't just do things right once in a while. They do them right all the time.
There's a lovely 100 from Virat Kohli.
For them, it's not about winning once. It's about winning every single time. And when the going gets tough, they get even tougher. Champions never stop or give up, as they are their own biggest competition. Nothing can stop them from scaling new heights. Challenges come and go, but they stare right back in its eye. We played like champions in our last innings, but we're determined to make this year our greatest innings yet. Together, we will make it possible, because together, we are champions. HDFC Bank Festive Treats OND 2020 is equal to OND 2019. Live the challenge.
Wow, so much energy and passion all around. So, that's a wrap. Thank you all for joining us today. With this, the festive season has officially begun. On behalf of HDFC Bank, this is Sanchali Arora signing off. Wish you all a very happy and safe festive season.